Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy the Zen Crypto. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to use any crypto exchange. So choose whichever exchange you are already signed into or sign up and create a new account on any popular cryptocurrency exchange. I'm going to use Binance, so if you have a Binance account, go ahead and type in binance.com and press enter. Now, once you are logged into your account, you will be able to find the Buy Crypto option at the top section. Just go ahead and click on it, and now you will be taken into the Buy Crypto menu. Now, within this page, you will be able to enter the amount that you want to spend and the crypto that you want to receive. So simply click on the selected currency and then choose from the list of currencies that are available, and then within the receive section, simply click on BTC. And then within the search box, type in Zen and you will find the Zen coin. Simply click on it and now you can type in how much Zen you want to receive or how much of your selected currency you want to spend to buy the Zen coin. After typing this in, you can simply click on the buy button, and then from there you can proceed with buying your crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy the Zen coin using any cryptocurrency exchange. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.